Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Emily, and you are watching Active Reviews channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the Kibo Eclipse training program. My friends Steve and Aiden have just released a fascinating video and free book that lays out a 3-step e-commerce system that they've used to make millions of dollars online. This system has become dramatically more powerful over the past 12 months, for reasons that you'll discover in the book, and the best news is that it is something that literally anyone can copy. If you are short of time, click the link in the description to watch the video and download the book. However, there is one very exciting element here, which is the discovery of a $42 billion breakthrough marketplace that is largely untapped. This marketplace is a huge source of free traffic, and they have used it to generate as much as $35,239 in a single 24-hour period, and $156,566 in just 7 days. And do you want to know the best thing? This breakthrough marketplace pours rocket fuel onto their original 3-step system, and makes it even more effective. What you need to do right now is watch the short intro video via the link in the description, then download the book immediately. It will only be available for a very short period of time. Click the link in the description to do that now. Oh, and it goes without saying, those income numbers are their own results, and not everyone would be able to hit this level, obviously. However, I have read through all this information very carefully, and I can tell you one thing: if you want to build a profitable e-commerce business in 2022, or even scale the income of an existing business, this is something that you urgently need to look at. So, make sure to check the link in the description below to watch the video and download the book right now.